Welcome to the Awardy Awards, where we award an Awardy Award for award-winning savers. Tonight, one of you nominees will be awarded your very own Awardy Award. That's it, I'm firing my speechwriter.
Check out that ridiculous hat.
That, sir, is the official hat of the Jackalope Lodge, of which I am president. It will upon closer inspection. It does look asinine.